Good Thursday, everyone. Looking at our Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union weather headlines, unsettled weather is here to stay a while. I can't see a mostly sunny day in sight. So, if you like clouds and you like a chance for showers, you're going to love the forecast. Interestingly, there are two tropical systems in the Atlantic, and both of those need to be watched very closely. And believe it or not, they may interact in such a way that we get precipitation off of at least one of those. Normally we get our tropical precipitation from the Gulf of Mexico, but this situation may be such that we get something off the Atlantic. So something to stay tuned for. Looking at the tropics, these are those two systems. One is Humberto. It formed yesterday. It's packing winds of, I believe, 45 miles per hour this morning. So it's a low grade tropical storm at this point. It is expected to become a major hurricane. So that will be interesting. We've only had two hurricanes in the Atlantic this year. The first one became a Cat 5. The second one became a Cat 4. And now it looks like Humberto is going to become a Cat 3. So he's at least following the rules for this year. Now, the other system is shaded in red there, and it pretty much encompasses the entire area of the Bahamas. That's the one that may bring us some showers. So, as the models are really struggling with this because this is an unusual situation. You have two tropical systems that are kind of do a song and dance with each other. And on top of all of that, a complex steering pattern aloft in the atmosphere. Some guidance is suggesting that the area shaded in red could come ashore somewhere in South Carolina ish, and that could bring us some showers on the backside. So, yeah, stay tuned. It's an interesting forecast developing for next week. Premier Generators brings us our level of concern. Today we're level 1. It's not a meteorologist mark weather alert day. Just looking for general thunderstorms, and some heavy downpours could occur in some of those storms. So I'll keep an eye on things, but right now we're not expecting severe weather for today. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. 70% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms today. So, definitely looking at some of those. Had some already this morning. We'll have some more today. Highs in the low 70s. Friday, looking for a chance for showers, 30% chance. Saturday, I've increased that from 30 to 50%. I think we're going to see about a 50-50 shot for showers, maybe even some rumbles of thunder. I'll keep an eye on that. Sunday, we're back down to a 20% chance before Monday. I bring it back to 30. So low-end shower chances for Sunday and Monday, and then we'll watch what happens with Tuesday and Wednesday, and maybe even Thursday with the tropical system coming in off the Atlantic. So an unsettled pattern for sure. Premier Generators brings us our 5-day severe weather outlook. Not looking for any severe weather over the next 5 days. And thankfully, even if we get precipitation off the tropical system in the Atlantic, we'll be on the back side. And that's not the side you would see any severe weather from. So that's the good news with that as well. And I'll tell you something. Sometimes those systems come in from the east like that. We get some really pretty skies coming off the tropics. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. So hopefully that'll at least happen. And I'll watch that in the coming days too, and let you know how the sky conditions are going to look. So right now, today, heavy downpours possible with some of the storms. Right now, next week, looking rather calm. Again, it could be unsettled with some shower chances, but I'm not looking for anything severe. Bramble Travel, bringing us our On This Day in History. Like I think I've said this before, this is my most popular slide. I mean, when I go do talks nowadays, people clap when I mention this slide. So 1977, an F0 tornado ends a 5-mile path across Cumberland County. It was near Homestead and Dorton. No injuries, thankfully. This tornado traveled through the Dorton area, ripping trees from the ground and tearing away roofing and walls of several buildings. And you can see there where it did some other things, 70 uprooted trees. Anyway, a much more active day on this day in 77. 2018, on this same day, a small, brief EF1 tornado moved north-northwest, which is unusual, hitting a residence and nearby areas along Campground Road west of Clark Range. An outbuilding was shifted off its foundation. One barn sustained significant roof damage. So you can see what else went on there as well. But my goodness, and that was the first tornado of record to occur in the month of September in Fentress County. So we have definitely had some active weather on this day. Not today, thankfully. Don't forget to download that Meteorologist Mark app. It's free. Find it in your app store. Otherwise, you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up for even more weather information. Just go to meteorologistmark.com.